In Web 1, when you turn in your websites, what you'll need to do is give me your root folder. So I made this example root folder for instance, a sports site. I named it Denver Broncos. It should be named descriptively for the subject that you're working with. And then in that root folder, what I will look for is an images folder with all of your images in it. 3 at least web pages. And you can tell because these have the Chrome icon, but you can also, when you come in here to type, see that it says HTML document, and those are your web pages. The other thing I'd like to see is your style sheet. Remember, as you're editing your pages, you can click on them. So right click and get to this menu that will let you open with different applications, and to edit them, go to open with Notepad, and that's where you can see your HTML. I haven't done the HTML on this one, but you would have all your HTML tags for your page there, right? And then you would file save to save any changes that you made, and then close it. To view it, you would just, this is in Chrome already, so you would just double click to open. But for instance, if this had a Notepad icon, you would right click, open with, and go to Chrome or whatever browser you use. I would suggest Chrome probably. But now when I open that, if I had some HTML in here, it would show up. Okay, so that's how you can view your different pages. Once you have this all done, the way to turn it into me is to go back up to the folder. All right, so I've got Denver Broncos. I'm just going to get out of here so you can see I've got the folder here. To send it to me, you need to right click and go to send to the compressed zipped folder. All right, so it's a little folder with a zipper on it. And when you do that, you will see that now wherever you have this saved, it'll give you the zipped version of it. And that just gives it a format that will email better. All right, and then just attach that to an email in order to send it to me. Okay, that is zipping your root folder.